Choke me like you hate me, but you love me, low-key, wanna date me.
Darcei! Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. On today's episode... Wait, why am I talking like that? On today's episode of Black Girl Tries, we're going off to a magical land filled with strawberry fields, straw hats, gingham picnic blankets, and gently curled hair blowing in the wind ever so softly. That's right, today we're going to be exploring Cottagecore. But first, a word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Honey. Guys, I'm a real YouTuber now. I got a Honey sponsorship. These days, it feels like online shopping is the only shopping that we do. That's where today's sponsor, Honey, comes in. It's the free browser extension that scours the internet for promo codes and automatically tests them when you're checking out. So Honey's basically your online shopping best friend. Here's how it works. You get your computer, you install Honey, it's for free, and you can do that in 2 easy clicks. Then, when you're checking out on one of its 30,000 supported sites, Honey pops up and all you have to do is click Apply Coupons. Wait a few seconds as Honey searches for coupons for that site, and if Honey finds a working code, you'll watch the prices drop. In fact, I did just that when I was shopping online the other day. I was about to check out when I thought to myself, Darcei, did you check to see if Honey could save you money? And girl, I hadn't. So I quickly clicked on the extension, Honey scoured the internet for me, and BAM! Look at all the money I saved just by downloading this free extension. And Honey supports all kinds of retailers, beauty, fashion, food even. So it's simple. If you have a computer, Honey should be on it. It's free and works with whatever browser you use. Get Honey for free today by going to joinhoney.com/MissDarcei. That's joinhoney.com/MissDarcei so they know that I sent you. Thanks, Honey, for sponsoring today's video. Okay, now where were we? Oh yeah, Cottagecore. Now, what exactly is Cottagecore, you may ask? Because I knew about the aesthetic, but I didn't know exactly what it was, so I had to look it up. So I looked up, what in the hackaroonie is Cottagecore? And this is what I found. According to Google, Cottagecore is an internet aesthetic also described by some sources as a Generation Z subculture. It celebrates an idealized rural life and developed throughout the 2010s, being named on Tumblr in 2018. Of course, it's a Tumblr thing. It's also a really big TikTok thing. That's how I know about it. Cottagecore is an aesthetic inspired by a romanticized interpretation of Western agricultural life. It is particularly popular within the WLW community. So basically, you look like a European farm girl. So of course, when I look up Google images of the Cottagecore aesthetic, it's mostly white people participating in the aesthetic. And while people of other races do also participate in this aesthetic, it's a lot less common. And white people definitely are the face of the aesthetic. So that's where I come in. Today I'm going to attempt to put on some Cottagecore makeup. It doesn't seem that difficult, but I want to do a little bit more research. So let's go onto YouTube to see if we can find anything about Cottagecore makeup styles. Okay, so when I look up Cottagecore makeup on YouTube, I actually found this video called The Ultimate Guide to Cottagecore Clothes, Makeup, Accessories, etc. by Vanilla with 2 A's. Okay, Vanilla, teach me your ways. Oh my god, look at the baby sheep. They're so cute. I'm sorry, carry on. Okay, so here's some clothing examples of Cottagecore. Dungarees, or as I like to call them, overalls. Long, flowy skirts, got it, okay. Smocked tops, I do have a few of those in my closet, alright. And long dresses, including the iconic strawberry dress that's in the middle there. And of course, can't forget your grandma cardigan. Okay, what about accessories? Ah yes, beautiful bow in your gently curled hair, blowing in the wind. Ever
so softly.
Straw hats. I do have a straw hat for some reason. I don't know why, but I do, so we're gonna pull that out. Okay, and what about the makeup? That's what we're really here for. Cottagecore makeup can be interpreted in many ways, apparently. But the main theme is a minimal, soft look of innocence inspired by nature. Okay, so it's very like sunset, springtime, roses, flowers, strawberry pies, pinks and peaches. We can do that. That sounds easy. Okay, but I'm curious now. What else is part of the cottagecore aesthetic? Hobbies and activities. Baking. I bake all the time. Reading. I'm an avid reader. Picnics. I do love a good picnic. Fruit picking. I go fruit picking with my friends every year. Painting. Am I a cottagecore girl? Ooh, movies and TV series. Ah yes, the classic cottagecore movie, Totoro. Ooh, The Secret Garden. Me and my mom used to be obsessed with The Secret Garden. Oh my god, I'm a cottagecore girl. Barbie movies? Why Barbie movies? I guess be who you want to be. B-A-R-B-I-E. Okay, I think I got the idea here, and I'm thinking I want to go for like a peachy pink look today. Okay, first thing we need is perfectly smooth skin. I don't want to see a single pore on your pretty farm girl face. So I'm gonna take the No Portland primer from Touch and Sol. Once again, I forgot to shave my mustache, but that's okay because it makes the look more natural. So since we're going for a natural look today, I think we should use a very natural looking base, which is why I'm going to be taking the Perfecting Skin Tint from Glossier. I'm going to drop some of this on my hand and just apply it with a beauty blender. You want to look like you just rolled out of bed and started tending to the chickens. Now I want chicken. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to take my Too Faced concealer. This is in the color Maple. And while this is sitting, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in the color, what color is this? Dark brown. We want to be very gentle with our brows today because it's very easy to go too far and fall into Instagram baddie eyebrow territory. Okay, we're not trying to look like Kylie Jenner today. Relax. So I'm just creating a very soft line. Yes, there we go. That's looking good. Little brow, you're a little eyebrow. You're so cute. Little brow, you're a wee eyebrow. Little brow. The other day, my friend was singing the Little Brow song, but to the tune of Tale as Old as Time. And he was like, tale as old as brows. Barely even brows. See, this one's starting to get a little thick. You gotta relax. It's so difficult to be effortlessly beautiful. Then I'm gonna quickly go over that with my Glossier Brow Gel, just to keep everything in place. We only want our hair to be blowing in the wind, not our eyebrows. Okay, my lips are getting kind of dry, so I'm gonna take this lip milk from View 92. This is what I use whenever I put lipstick on. Barely even brows. These are barely even brows today. Oh my god, I forgot the concealer was on my face. Let's blend that out. Do you know how many times I've forgotten to blend something on my face and like gone outside with just unblended makeup on? If you guys get to know me, you'll realize that my life is just a series of embarrassing events. Just going to apply some powder. And I'm also going to take a different color concealer for the eyelids. This is the color Mocha. Her lips are devil red and her skin's the color Mocha. Apply that to the lid. And we're going to use this as a nice base for eyeshadow. Just using a lighter concealer for the eyes because I feel like I want to use some lighter eyeshadow colors today. And of course we're gonna set that with powder. Oh, of course the sun wants to creep into my shot to fit the aesthetic. Thank you. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take this palette. This is the Rose Latte palette from 3CE. And I'm going to take this color here. Just start patting that on the lid. And then I'm taking the lighter color in the palette and just applying it on top with my finger. Guys, you know what song stuck in my head lately?
Choke me like you hate me, but you love me, low-key wanna date me. I really like that song.
Ah yes, I feel like a delicate flower already. I'm gonna apply it under the eye as well. Really get it in there so it looks like you have pink eye. Next, I'm going to take this new palette from Kylie Cosmetics. It's from that leopard collection that she just came out with. Carol Baskin is quaking. So I'm just going to take the brown from this palette. And I'm just going to use that as eyeliner, basically. Next, I'm gonna put on this really old glitter from NYX, but any like white iridescent kind of glitter will do. I just dusted it on the eyes here. And then we're gonna apply some very soft lashes. Next, I'm gonna take some highlighter. This is Soft and Gentle by MAC, and I'm gonna put on a flat brush. Apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm gonna contour with my Kylie contour stick. This is in the darkest shade. Cream contouring today because I find that that leaves the most natural finish. And if I don't blend it out correctly, I can just say it's dirt from the farm. I was wrestling a pig or something. But I'm just a dainty farm girl, so it's much more likely that I was baking an apple pie or embroidering a sweater. For lipstick, I want to go for a soft peachy look. So I'm gonna take my brown lip liner. And I'm making a much thinner line than I usually do because I don't want it to be too much. I'm gonna use this new lip color from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the color Can't Be Tamed. Good one, Kylie. So it is very dark, but we're just using it as a base color. So if you want a really nice lighter pink color, it is a several step process if you have dark skin, so please bear with me. Next, I'm gonna use Peach Tea from 3CE. Almost like orangey, but we'll try it. It's a little too orangey. So I'm gonna take Neutral Avenue from 3CE. And I'm just applying a little bit of the Glossier lip gloss. Now we're going to apply more highlighter. Blend it in. And I want to do more blush, so I'm going to take this color, which is called Hollyhock from 3CE. It's their cream blush. Ow. So now that we have our soft, natural makeup on that took 8,000 steps, let's put on our hair and our outfit. So first thing I gotta do is get out of this Black Girls Can Try Anything shirt, huh? Available at shop.missdarcei.com. So for my outfit, I really was feeling that strawberry dress that they were talking about earlier. And there's lots of versions of this dress, but I wanted to get the original. So I did. I'll be right back. I'm gonna change into this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Next I have to put on my gently curled hair. Huh. I think I'm gonna tie my hair half up, half down. And for the final finishing touch, we must put on our straw hat. Completely in my shot now, but good thing that's part of the aesthetic. Because usually I hate when the sun is in my shot, but today it's hitting me in all the right places. Really accentuating my mustache.
Choke me like you hate me, but you love me.
So guys, what do you think of the cottagecore aesthetic? Honestly, the outfit is my favorite part. This is definitely a very cute summer aesthetic, so why am I doing it in the winter? I don't know. But this outfit really takes me back to 3 months ago.
But let me know what your favorite part is down in the comments below. I'm off now to tend to my chickens and knit something and bake a cherry pie. Probably, I don't know. And I will see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these.
And don't forget that I love ya so much.